You wouldn't believe how many 106 fellas still have these blanks in. I'm about to show you guys how easy it is, because I've had a few people think that it's not quite as easy as a 10-minute job. And 10 minutes is generous. It really doesn't take that long. Let's crack right into it. Let's show you how easy it is. Alright, I will admit this is a little bit cheating, but you got a couple of screws. You got 1, 2, and then you've also got one here underneath where the handbrake goes. You got one underneath where the key goes on the grey plastic, and then one underneath in line with that speaker grill on this side. So undo those 3 screws, and then you've got this wee key surround. Boom, pop that one off. There's just 2 clips on there, easy as that. Now with all those undone, let's move all these to the center, pop these off. Boom. Obviously there's always one missing, isn't there? And actually we don't need to worry about that just yet. Oh, if you just pry out on that, boom, look at that. And then obviously you got your hazard lights, so unplug those. Boom. Look at that, they're already out. So as you can see, you just got 2 screws out the back there. Oops, sorry, 1, 2. Hopefully you can see that. Boom. So we'll grab the screwdriver, whip that off, and whip this one off, just like that. Now what you want to do, grab your Cliffords Motorsport cup holders. You'll get your cup holder, and for a few lucky people, whoever lost it, some people might get a bottle opener, they might get a sticker, obviously a brochure, maybe another sticker, and you might even get some of these epic extreme gravel gear suspension stickers too. But now that you've got your cup holder, skadoosh, just like OEM. Look at that. So pop out your old blank, chuck this bad boy in, just like that, and then the screws that you just took out, put them back in. That's the hardest part done. Now pop this AC cover off, and you're going to need to take this screw out. That's just the top left corner of the heater unit there, because you've got this screw here as the extra support. So put it in the same way it came out. So having a skits. Boom. Make sure you clip that one back in. And then just jimmy that back down. It all lines up. Clipped in. Boom. And make sure it goes into. Cool. Now that screw that we just took out of here, that goes in back in that corner. Make sure that's all pressed in. Look at that. Boom. Shut this bad unit back. Boom. Boom. And boom. How about it? So obviously you want to put the screws that you took out, put those back in. Just as easy as that, you have yourself a set of LN106 cup holders. Look at that.